let me show you how to store your Jotform documents in the cloud. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically send your files to your cloud drive. So let's get started. This is my main workspace and we are going to get started with a test form. So let's go ahead and use this feedback form for testing purposes. And let's go ahead and edit this form. And once we're here, it's going to send us to our form builder. Once we're done building our form, let's go ahead and jump over to the integration section. So let's go into our settings tab, go to integrations, and in integrations, you'll find several available integration for storage options in the cloud. So I would recommend selecting the filter here and selecting document sharing. And once we're here, you have several available options for your cloud storage. Take, for example, I'm going to send this right now to my OneDrive. So what I'm going to do now is integrate with OneDrive so I can send over those files automatically into a cloud storage, just to give you an idea. But there's several available options to send over those files to your cloud storage. So let's go ahead and use this account for testing purposes, just to show you an idea how to do this. Go ahead and select the account that you are integrating with. And once you are authenticated with the cloud storage, go ahead and start setting up. For example, in this case, it's going to be a cloud storage backup. That's what I'm going to name this. And in this case, I'm going to create a subfolder for each one of the submissions. And I'm going to send over my files. I'm going to send over my PDFs. I'm also going to send the uploaded fields to OneDrive. So I'm going to select the field for the uploaded field inside of my form to send it over to OneDrive. Let's go ahead and save this integration. Let's go into preview the form and we're going to test this out right now. Let's go ahead and fill out this form. Here we go. I'm going to do a screenshot because that's what the file that I'm going to upload for testing purposes. So let me go ahead and select it right here. Here we go. I'm going to select it. It's going to upload. I'm going to submit it. And that's going to be stored in my cloud storage. So let's go into my OneDrive, which is what I integrated with. And here it is, my brand new folder that was just created. Here's the subfolder. And here's the PDF and the uploaded file that I added into the form submission. So it's super easy to integrate with your favorite cloud storage here on Jotform. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Jotform, start building your form, and integrate with your cloud storage to store your files. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.